What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing some Plasti-Dip on a customer's car. They want us to go ahead and do all the plastic, the black plastic that you see all there, all over like the bottom part of the car. So let's get a closer look. I don't know if you could tell, but it's kind of sun damaged. It's looking a little gray, so she wanted to do kind of like a, not necessarily a matte black, but she wants to kind of restore that color back there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna go ahead and mask off the bottom part, put some newspaper on there so that the rest of the car doesn't get some Plasti-Dip on it. We're gonna cover the wheels as we go along, and that should be it. So here we go.
I'ma make you mine tonight, pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think.
Alright guys, so here we are. We went ahead and put the newspaper all around where we're going to be painting. See, it's all over the car. And then we also went ahead and used trash bags over the tires. It only covers about half the tire, but that should be more than enough to cover so that we don't get any Plasti-Dip on the actual tire itself. So with that done, we go ahead and start spraying now.
I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Party's never over for me. My favorite Toy Story. Bo Peep is chasing me. Woody, let me be a fantasy. Swiss Army King, they call me. Come find the key, baby, baby. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can.
Alright guys, so that's it. I just did 3 coats of the Plasti-Dip all the way around. As you can see, we still have all the tape, all the newspaper, and the bags over the tires. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is take that all off, and then we're gonna see what the end product is gonna look like. All right.
You love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it. Do it, do it. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go.
All right, so that's it. Get a closer look all the way around. So that's it for today's video, guys. Again, how to Plasti-Dip the plastics on the bottom of any car. Pretty much the same thing. Just make sure whatever you're going to work on is clean. Make sure you tape off everything so that the actual car, I mean, it's Plasti-Dip, so even if you get a little bit of overspray, all you have to do is just wipe it down. It's not that big of a deal, but you know, it makes the job a little easier, go by a little quicker, more efficient. But this is pretty much it. It's nothing too complicated. It just takes some time because you got to give it a half hour between each coat to dry. A gloss coat is something you could also do. It's another half hour in between each of those. But that's pretty much it. Real quick, I want to say thanks to my wife for helping me out, putting some of that newspaper on the car. Muchas gracias, vieja. Te amo, mi viejita. Muchas gracias. But that's it. So, till next time.